Good morning, students. In previous video, we have discussed classification of industries on the basis of size. Today, we will discuss on the basis of finished product. The industries are grouped into two categories on the basis of finished product. First is basic industry and second one is consumer goods industries. So what do you mean by the basic industries? In basic industries, finished product of these industry are used as a raw material for other industries. For instance, iron and steel industry produces steel which is used in the manufacturing of machine tools. So iron and steel industry become a basic industry. I hope you have understood what you mean by the basic industries. Those industries which are used as a raw material for other industry. The finished product of this industry means basic industry, are used as a raw material for other industries. For example, iron and steel industry is the example of basic industries. Second one is consumer goods industry. This industry produces goods for direct use by the consumer. That is the basic difference between basic industry and consumer goods industry. So this industry produces finished product for direct use by consumers, for sale in the market for the consumers. For example, edible oils, tea, soap, bread, biscuits, radio, television, etc. These all items of the examples of consumer goods industries. Next classification of industry on the basis of source of raw material. Means what type of raw material are used by the different industries. These industries are grouped into four categories: agro-based industry, forest-based industry, animal-based industry, and mineral-based industries. First, agro-based industry. The industry is using agriculture product. Agro means agriculture product. So those industry using agriculture product as their raw material are known as agro-based industries. For example, tea, sugar, cotton, textile, vegetable oil, etc. They are the example of agro-based industries. Next one is forest-based industries. The industries which use forest product as their raw material are called forest-based industry. Paper, furniture, packing material, medicines from medical plant, etc. are the common example of forest-based industry. The third category is animal-based industries. These industries use animal product as raw material like milk, egg, leather, fish, etc. These are the animal products and used as a raw material for animal-based industry. Last category is mineral-based industry. These industries are dependent on minerals as their raw material. For example, iron, steel, copper, smelting, petrochemical, cement, etc. So today we have discussed on the basis of finished product and on the basis of source of raw material. Next video we will discuss classification of industries on the basis of ownership. Thank you. and have a nice day.